Hello everyone, welcome back to your System Fixer. Recently, on June the 19th, Microsoft officially announced through its official blog that Windows 11 26H2 has now been released for the experimental channel. I've also recently installed this version and tested it myself. As you can see on the screen of the bottom, my system has been upgraded to Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview build 26300.8697. This is my current system version, and you can clearly see that it is now running the Windows 11 26H2 preview build. So naturally, many people may be wondering how to download and install the Windows 11 26H2 ISO file. In this video, I will walk you through two simple step-by-step. If you enjoy Windows installation and update guides like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to more content. Now, before we start, just overview a quick note. Since Windows 11 26H2 is still in an experimental stage, I strongly recommend that you do not install it on your primary computer. This version may still contain bugs, and some features might not work properly or behave as expected. So ideally, you should use a virtual machine or a secondary device for testing. Alright, with that said, let's start with the official method first. If you have already joined the Windows Insider program, this is definitely the method you should try first. Just open your browser, search for Windows 11 26H2 download in the box, and select the first Microsoft page. Then expand the Windows Insider preview list, and click here to open the download page. But wait a bit, you need to log into the Microsoft account first. After logging in, you will enter the Windows Insider Preview download page. Just scroll down and click on the drop-down menu. Okay, now, if you take a closer look here, you will notice that the download page does not directly label this as Windows 11 26H2. Instead, it shows the experimental build under the 26300 series. And in some cases, it still appears under a 25H2 related preview branch. Now this might look a bit confusing at first, but here is the important part. This 26300 series build is actually a part of the same development branch that will eventually become Windows 11 26H2. So even though it is not explicitly labeled as 26H2 on the download page, it is still connected to the 26H2 enablement path. Now, after you install this build, you don't need to do anything complicated, just run Windows Update afterwards, and your system will gradually move forward and receive the latest Windows 11 26H2 preview updates. So, if you are in a hurry and just want the official ISO file, this is the simplest method you can use. You install this base build first, and then let Windows Update handle the upgrade to 26H2 in the background. Just select this version, choose your preferred product language, and then click the download button. The file size is around 8 GB, so it is quite large. In my case, the download took about 30 minutes to complete, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you don't want to go through this method, or you prefer a more direct way to get the specific 26H2 ISO build, like 26300, 8697, there is another option you can try. Let's move on to the second method. This method uses UUP Dump. First, go to the UUP Dump website. It is a tool that allows you to download Windows installation files directly from Microsoft's official servers, and then convert them into a bootable ISO file. So, in simple terms, it is not a modified or unofficial system. It simply builds the ISO using official Microsoft update packages. Now, let's click here, and you'll see a list of Windows 11 Insider Preview feature updates. From here, select the version that was released on the 19th of June. If you are using an Intel or AMD machine, just go with the default option available here. Next, choose your preferred language, and click on Next. Now select the Windows edition. For me, I'll choose Windows 11 Pro. Click Next again. Here, keep the default option, download and convert to ISO. And also enable Include Updates, Windows Converter only. Now you will notice the total size of the ISO file is around 9.72 gigabytes. So yeah, it's quite large. So make sure you are on a stable internet connection. Once the download package is ready, go to your Downloads folder. You will see a zip file there. Just right-click it, select Extract All, and unzip the file. After extraction is done, open the folder. You will see an executable file. Now here is an important point. Before running it, always make sure the source is trustworthy, especially for any executable file. Then right-click the file, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. A command prompt window will open. At this point, just type R, and the download process will start. Now, this process can take some time, sometimes even a few hours, depending on your internet speed and system performance. As I mentioned in my previous video about downloading Windows 11 25H2 ISO, this method is not instant, so be patient. And just to repeat one important point, please do not install Windows 11 26H2 on your primary PC. This is still an early development build, so it may contain bugs, and some features might not work properly. It's always better to use a secondary PC, or a virtual machine for testing. So that's basically how you can download Windows 11 26H2, using UUP Dump. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to your System Fixer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.